If you guys are holding XRP, this is an emergency video. If you hold any cryptocurrency as well, we have the most bullish news and scenario and situation that has ever happened for crypto. Last night in my video, I told you all today was literally the make or break for XRP and cryptos. And what took place was exactly as I mentioned. The market sold off. It's been panic selling because people are thinking Powell is going to be hawkish. And today he was actually surprisingly very dovish. And that's honestly extremely bullish for crypto. So he's saying that they're most likely going to be cutting rates in September. And as I mentioned yesterday, the Fed futures is showing that it's a very high and likely chance. Even poly markets have increased their odds with a rate cut in September. So that is very, very bullish. And what that means is now the market is risk on. The market was risk off because they were thinking the Fed wasn't going to cut rates and people were panic selling as a result. So now that the market has clarity that they are going to be cutting rates, guess what they're going to be doing now? The market is very, very, very bullish. This is a risk on situation. As you can see right now, cryptos are up massively. Cryptos are God candling. Everything is recovering the dip very quickly because the reason why we sold off was manipulation, but primarily because people are afraid that they weren't going to cut rates based on PPI's data from last week, but that's actually not the case. The case is they are going to be cutting rates, and inflation and everything is showing that they need to cut rates. So everything is very bullish. This is a risk on scenario. And now that they're going to be cutting rates in September, the market is going to start pricing that in. When the market starts pricing that in, that's going to be injecting more liquidity into the market. So when they have more liquidity being injected into the markets, we're going to be seeing another leg higher for XRP and cryptocurrencies. So if you look at Bitcoin dominance right now, it is absolutely tanking. We are starting altcoin season now. I think that was the bottom of this whole pullback and correction, which has been kind of chopping around and going around this entire month. I think that was the bottom of this move. I think XRP is bottom for quite some time. I think altcoins are bottom for quite some time, and it's going to get absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys are a part of my private community where we have been buying the dips. We bought this crash. We've been longing the dips, and we are up now in massive profits. I told you all yesterday I was longing this dip, and now I'm up in massive profits. You can probably see that this trade is up $25,000. I mean, the trades go on. We have a lot of profits, guys. It's going to be absolutely crazy, and this is literally just the beginning. We are still in a bull market, and the market is not going to be topping out anytime soon. Yes, there will be pullbacks and corrections, but now with the rate cuts actually taking place, they've paused them for quite some time. And ever since they paused the markets have been very choppy. But now, since they're going to be cutting rates, it's going to be injecting a lot of money, a lot of liquidity into the markets. It's going to be pumping the stock market higher. It's going to be pushing risk assets higher like cryptocurrencies. And we are seeing a massive rotation of liquidity from Bitcoin into altcoins such as XRP, Ethereum, and Solana, and there's other coins as well. So it's going to be absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys are in my private community. You guys can try it today for free. You can also try my trading indicator, which sniped the bottom of this move. You guys could try that for free, called ALGOSNIPER. And if you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you are trading over on Blowfin. There's a platform that I just showed you my profits, but it's a trading platform. When you guys use Coinbase or any of these other platforms, the fees are so high. So use the links in my video description. It's going to help you guys make money in crypto. If you guys got anything out of this video, if you guys are bullish in XRP, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see you later.